Stay connected on your trips with Superhero eSIM. Let's walk through the process of activating your Superhero eSIM so you can enjoy seamless connectivity anywhere you go in 5 simple steps. Make sure your device is eSIM compatible, network unlocked, connected to the internet, either Wi-Fi or cellular, iOS 17.0 or later. Now let's dive into how to install an eSIM. Step 1. Purchase your eSIM. Start by purchasing your eSIM on our website or app. Once you're done, you'll receive a QR code through email you provided when you purchased the plan. Step 2. Open Email app. Open the email app and check for the email from Superhero eSIM. Find the QR code and long press the QR code. Wait for the menu to appear. Wait a little more and Add eSIM option will show at the bottom of the menu. Tap on Add eSIM. Step 3. Activate the eSIM. Wait for the eSIM to activate. Tap Continue. It'll take a few seconds to activate the eSIM. Step 4. Your Superhero eSIM is ready. You can change the label to Superhero eSIM. This keeps your regular SIM and travel eSIM separate. Select Superhero eSIM only for mobile data. When you arrive at your destination, remember to turn off data switching to avoid extra charges. Select default line as your primary line. If you have a second SIM, choose iMessage line that you want to use. Your eSIM is installed. Step 5. Now, when you arrive at your destination, activate Superhero eSIM for data and turn on data roaming for a smooth internet connection. Enjoy seamless connectivity with Superhero. Got questions? Just ask. Our customer support team is always available to help you make the most out of your trip. Get ready for your next adventure with Superhero eSIM. Stay connected and explore the world, hassle-free.